In this lecture, you are going to learn how to install PHP on your machine. PHP does not come pre-installed with most operating systems by default. However, it can be easily installed on various operating systems. The best way to install PHP is by installing packages such as mamp or wamp. In this lecture, we will use mamp for installation. So go to mamp.info and download the package and install it. Here I am using Mac as my machine, but the download and installation processes are almost the same for Windows system. Before opening MAMP, the installation comes with two applications. One is the free version and another one is Pro. Open the free version as it suffices what is required for this course. The free app usually has a gray icon and the Pro version has the blue one. Start the server by clicking on the Start button at the top right corner. Now to add your PHP files to serve, we should add those to the HD docs in the MAMP application folder. The process is same for Windows OS. For this course, I'm using VS Code as my code editor. You can use whatever code editor you would like, but I highly recommend using VS Code. Here, I'm adding the HD docs folder in the project workspace. You can see here that a file called index.php already there by default. Whenever you give a file name index.php at the root, it acts sort of like homepage. So you don't have to type localhost 8888/index.php. So let's add another file, give it the name main.php. Inside this file, add a basic HTML code. For VS Code, you simply type HTML:5 to generate the boilerplate. Inside the body tag, you can start adding PHP code. For this example, type the opening angle bracket, which is the less than angle bracket, followed by a question mark symbol, PHP, space, echo, double quotes, hello world, space, again a question symbol, and finally the closing angle bracket or greater than angle bracket. This less than and greater than angle brackets are known as opening and closing PHP tags. Henceforth, I will mention this as such. Echo is a language construct which will output whatever we supply after it. We will discuss more about this in the upcoming tutorials. Go to your browser and type localhost 8888. You can see now that the index.php being opened without requiring you to type index.php after the slash. This behavior is referred to as the default document or directory index. You can change this behavior by setting up config file, which I'll teach you in one of future lessons. To open main.php, simply type the localhost address /main.php. Now it is opened. Our hello world string has been displayed. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about PHP syntax and structure. Until then, see you.